In Cloud Code, you can create this animation with a single prompt, only if you understand how to use the Claude.md file and some iOS animation keywords. And this is what you will learn in this video. Let's start with the prompt because this part is the most important part. I start with telling him what he is. Here, I tell him that you are an iOS developer. When you tell him that, he will start thinking like an iOS developer and give you better result. And I give him a little bit context about the app, what we're trying to build. And here I start breaking down all the animation in the screen. Because if you just give him a screenshot and tell him a little bit about the animation, he will give you maybe 30-40% like the screenshot. But if you give him details plus the screenshot, he will give you much better result. As you see here, like I tell him I will give him the screenshot, I want liquid, each 2 seconds will change the colors, talk about the alignment, capsule animation, and more. Here we have the content transition. What is that? Let me finish this part first and then later I will show you an example on Xcode and you will see the huge difference when you use the content transition. On number 4, I tell him about the button, and on 5, I tell him again I will upload an image just to make sure he know that. On 6, this one is important. I ask him to think about what an iOS developer would think about all these details. This is very important because he will start asking and thinking and think about the answer. In this case, he will be smarter and give us better result. And plus tell him to use the ultra think. He will be slow, but he give you better result. And last thing, create the Claude.md file. I will explain what is a Claude.md file, but first let's explain about the content transition and later we go back to the Claude.md file. Here I have very simple animation. Every 2 seconds will display different text. But I don't like this animation, and we can fix it simply by using the content transition. And you don't need to know anything about coding. All you need to know just to remember the name of the tool and ask AI to use it for the text animation. You can use it also for numbers. Let's start very simple and think what happened when we send the prompt. Like there is a 3 steps. First we type the prompt. We send it to Cloud. AI model, and we get the result. This what will happen. But there is one more hidden step. Is the Claude.md file. What is a Claude.md file? Think it like the brain of the Claude Code. It will be like just in a file, have all the details about your app, your color theme, your rules. For example, you tell him use only this color. He always first start reading everything inside. He know about your app. Then you will go to the prompt, from the prompt to Cloud AI, then the result. Here will give you much better result. This is why I always start with creating the plan. Second, I ask him to create and the last step, I start building. If you do it this way, you will get much better result, maybe 70% close to the screenshot. Else you will keep repeating over and over the same prompt and you waste your time. And one more thing, every time you send a prompt and he may do a mistake, you tell him no, this is the mistake. He always return to Cloud Code MD file and update the details. Or you can ask him always to update the MD file to save you more time. I give him the screenshot and switch to plan mode because I want him first to create the plan and later update the Claude.md file. And he will start think and ask like an iOS developer what he will think about the animations to learn more about our application. He asks me some questions, I answer all of them, and I wait for the result. Honestly, the animation from the first try is very nice. And I was thinking, what if I ask him to create another 10 different views and each one will have a unique background? Maybe he will create something new. So let's try. Some of them are very nice, but I don't like the last three, so I will ask him to replace them with something else. Yeah, this one is much better. And you can always ask him for another 10 until you have the perfect collection.